Hi, good day. This is Ravi Gaming. This is my presentation. So, in Pinoy, my report is traffic lights are red, yellow, green. So red is stop, yellow is ready. So the green is go. So infinity state machine. So um, FMS is a model computation where it is system can be one state at a time. So it change from a state to another when the given input. So this is the input. T is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So the state is R. So is equal to 0, 0. R is equal to 0, 0. G um is 0, 0. This is the input is T is equal 0. So going to red, I going to green. So the green is going to yellow. So this is a time input. So so time is actually on input in this time. So it also produce output depending on the state and input. So the traffic light FMS state are so the red is 0, 0. So the yellow is 0, 1. So the T is time, the time signal. So so the uh, transition if T is 0 stay in the same state. So the T is equal to 1 move to the next state. So red is to green. So green is to yellow, yellow to red. So the output is to color of the traffic light encoding by in binary. So 0, 0, green is equal to 0, 1. So yellow is 1, 0. The truth table current state plus input. So the next state is um the next state is plus output. So example, the state is equal to red, um, T is equal to 1. So the next is green. Output output is equal to 0, 0, 1. So the next state is yellow. So T is equal to 1. So the next is red. Output to equal to 0, 0. So ensure the predictable circle all red, green, yellow. So red. So when when the FMS control is stop and go signal depending on the time when whether truck are the waiting. So the state is stop and go. So the input is T. So is the T is time. So the TR is tracking waiting. So the output is population inductor. So 0 or 1. So the stop is 0 and the go is 1. So if no tracking is waiting, TR is 0, the system just alternate stop, go with the time. So if tracking is waiting, TR is specific rule of apply. So uh, the truth table show TR current state and next state is population. So example, TR is equal to 1. I T is equal to 1. TR is equal to 1. So the state is stop on The next step is popul population is equal to 1. So next example is t is equal 1. So the tr is equal 0 is state as stop, and the next is go. Population is equal to 0. So FMS is are used to model sequence behavior, then they have input, output, and transition. They can represent which state diagram through table. Real world application. So, so, uh, Finity statement is proved a track way to control the system that change state based on the input. The example show how to handle traffic light and even more complex traffic situation with the track of population control. Thank you. This is the end of our explanation in my traffic light. Again, my name is Rob G. Kiming, VSCP.